guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video, and as you can tell from the title of this video, it's a beach vlog. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen right now. This is what I have packed. This is the food, and then like this is the drinks. What's this? Aqua shoes. Mariam went to pick up Anud, and now they're coming here. This is my outfit. It's my sister's dress, and the swimsuit I'm wearing was also my sister's, and the shorts are only mine. So, but anyway, my agenda for today was basically I woke up at 8, had breakfast, and I walked to the gym, and it was so hot. And I walked to the gym, I came back, I just showered my body because I don't want to stink. And yeah, and then I'm back here now. Yeah, I'm going to the beach with Anud and Mariam. Zaina unfortunately couldn't make it, but also my mom's coming with us, and yeah, I'm so excited. We're almost here.
Is this your shade? Is it your shade? That's
أخاف الصوت. قوي.
أهم شيء الحمام.
عنود?
Put the phones and the stuff in here.
We need that to enter, Baba.
Oh, soft I can. The cheese, the fruit platter.
خليه حي.
ناخذ الكراسي.
بس حطي فوق هني.
Oh, we're not gonna take it?
No, we're gonna put our chairs first.
الكراسي.
Hey, we're at the beach, guys. We're gonna find a place, and then we're gonna get the food. Oh! Those. It's a film. It's my vlogger era.
Just don't film us. Oh my god, my hair's like this.
Look at the stuff.
It's a mess.
It still looks nice. شاطرة شاطرة.
Mariam. Mariam?
You're in front of me.
You should go to my My toes! Oh my god.
She's so red.
Oh, no, she's not.
We have the pizza, this, and then this, and then عفسة هني.
Focus on one thing. Clearly. Learning snacks every day. Never going to this beach again. What?
It was all about you. No, I feel so far removed.
And who we saw?
We saw our security. I can't even see. I don't think it's him. It's our
It's him,
security.
والله, it's him.
I can't. I cannot trust you, and I can't see him.
It is. He's with his friend.
And then when I see him, he sees me, and I start laughing for no reason. I didn't even know it was him in the beginning.
him. Wallah, I will
Guys,
show
it's
you.
him.
Yeah, it is him. I'll show you the yearbook when we're home.
Do you know what this is?
أنا مستانس يوي بيج معاه.
You know what this is? Do you know بشعة?
أنت إيش؟
بشعة?
After those kills of shaving, the camera.
Cut that out.
Cut that out.
Cut that out.
Machi, open it.
Machio?
Pimachi, open it. What do you mean Machi?
Oh, this, but didn't have hair.
Oh.
That's
a
بشعة. Where's the
Bushai.
hair? I thought we. I
It's
thought, but no, it's not wax.
Mariam shaved it before going to the beach.
It's way better than yours,
Oh my
good.
god, it's like childhood.
This is bums.
This is my childhood.
No.
There's sand everywhere. Disgusting. Not aesthetic at all. Where the hell is Mariam? Like, how far did she go? god, she got the ball. Wait, let me try and zoom. I can really see the screen. You're so rad.
Do you know where I go?
You went to the gate.
I went all the way there.
Oh my god.
If it didn't stop
We
me
literally
that much.
could not see you anymore.
God damn it, you lazy people.
You're the one who decided
You're not playing anymore.
Yes, we are.
You're taking it to the beach. Everyone from the beach.
We're
I
at the
thought it's gonna
beach.
stop at the sand. No, went.
And no one helped you. That's so rude.
Someone with this whole family was staring at me, and I was like, "What do you want me to do? I'm laughing over here. Why you help me?"
I know it's by herself in the. She's swimming by herself.
Jen.
The beach is so pretty, especially like now at this time.
Yeah,
It's windy
that's so pretty.
and it's so pretty and aesthetic. Like
I'm dying of how pretty it is.
I never thought like a beach in Bahrain is like this.
Never thought I'd be running after a damn plastic ball, but here we are.
I'm like so traumatized from walking backwards. If you're in our school, you would know that I was running backwards and I fell on my head and I had a concussion.
All the way there.
She went all the way to the gate.
I went to the thing. If there was nothing, I'd be going.
Adios. Oh my god, I look so bad. But we're gonna ignore that. I made such a Moroccan sandwich. It has like peppers, fried like cooked onions, tomatoes. I put chicken and then eggplants and then like chipotle sauce, which we use sauce algérienne, and it's so good. This is like the typical. Like they're laughing at me. My book.
Is that a chicken?
Roti roll.
Is that a chicken?
Roti roll. Roti roll.
What is this? What rasa?
Roti roll طويل.
What is this? The ham? Yeah.
It's picked up the camera on so long, but it's one of the most beautiful. What is it beautiful like that? It's one of the prettiest sunsets I've ever seen, and the beach is just so pretty right now. My mom went to like shower and change and everything, and we took pictures and whatever, which I will put.
Do you want to do it? I'll do it, but you can post it. So obviously.
It's so pretty. I love it, and I'm wearing this dress again. And my phone's like wait. Where is it? It's 7%. And I'm waiting for my mom to come because we're gonna like use our coupons because you get like coupons when you pay 2BD to enter the beach. So they're running. It's just the sunset. If I die, just look for me in the sunsets. Like you know, like the whole TikTok trend. Like honestly, they're the most beautiful things ever. Even sunrises, but I prefer sunsets. Just look at this, yani, mashallah.
Salma, do you want to run with us?
No, thank you. I don't want to run. I already had leg day at the gym today, and I was struggling to even stand up and stuff. There's rocks everywhere. We cleaned up the... Ow! We cleaned up this. There's still like a lot of sand which does not show. Wait. Night vision. I forgot there's like night vision. Wait, I see the sunset. Oh my god. The sunset and night vision. Like there's no colors obviously. It's just... Guys, look at... Oh! I turned on night vision. Like night shot.
Back.
Oh.
Wait, no, you look... Wait, you have to be close to it. You get blue eyes. Look, look. Look at my eyes.
I look like a sim.
You look like MUNU.
Yeah.
I'm gonna insert a clip.
No!
I'm gonna insert a clip of Mariam showing MUN with her freaking contacts. Honestly, I love sunsets. I love looking at it. It's just sitting down and looking at this beautiful creation. I I've never loved going to the beach in Bahrain because it's really salty. But this is so cute. We're so tired. We're at like the cafe and they're literally closing and we used our coupons. We're all so tired. We're definitely gonna go home, shower and go to Guys, did you have fun today?
Which flavor?
No, the kufar. ما عارف سميته. The trunk. Guys, so we're back at the house and it was so chaotic. Oh my hair, that we barely filmed anything. I filmed some stuff on our phones, but my phone was on 1% and I still proceeded to actually attempt to film. And right now we're in my room, obviously, and Mariam just showered and I need showering right now. I'm just gonna show you my wall. Or I'm not gonna show you. And yeah, it's kind of a room tour anyway. Tall? Long. Tall. So cute. I'm gonna watch The Office. I don't care if I'm gonna spoil it for them because I wanna. Season 3.
Good night.
So many leftover snacks. Oh, this is like the list. List for the stuff I needed to pack. And then these are ideas for the upcoming video. Anyway, bye.